reading books, there are three types of book that I prefer rather than the other books. The first, my preference is historical books. I was fascinated in analyzing the disputes between the authors who say about the facts happened a long time ago in histories, about the legends, and different authors say diverse histories. So I was fascinated to analyze which one is correct, which one is not. Still, I do not claim that I'm an expert in history. So I cannot totally pursue this interest to satisfy this interest.
I'm
in London.
London.
Yeah. Okay, I reiterate what I mentioned earlier. I do not claim that I'm an expert in history. Still, I like history. Thus far, I read the